Hello children, welcome to maths class. Let's learn question number 13 of exercise 9.1. We are learning some applications of trigonometry, the use of trigonometry in real life situations. So one interesting question here is question number 13. As observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If the ships are exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. Very interesting situation is, lighthouse, you know, it is constructed in order to determine or show the directions, in simple word we can say, so the direction in sea or ocean. So this is the lighthouse. Height of the lighthouse is known to us, 75 meter. Then as observed from the top of 75 meter high lighthouse, that means point of observation is the top of lighthouse. The observer is on the top of lighthouse. Then from there what he is observing? He is observing the angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. That means lighthouse, observer is on the top. He is observing the sea. Sea will be on the water. So let's see, this is the water level. Two ships are there, but how that ships are? Exactly behind the other on the same side, either this side we saw or this side we saw. So let's see, mark this position of two ships. Two ships are behind one another on the same side. There may be situation sometime, if question is changed little, the two ships on the opposite side of the lighthouse. So one is here, one is somewhere other side, but here it is clearly mentioned on the same side of the lighthouse. So when we read the question, very carefully we need to read. Here if this word is changed on the opposite side, the diagram will change. Solution will be accordingly, but be careful when you read the question. Anyway, here these two ships are on the same side. Now see, observer is here, he is looking at the ship. Surely observer is above, the object he is looking at is down below the observer. So angle of depression will be formed. So let's learn how to show the angle of depression. Observer is here, his sight, line of sight can say, will be this, and this is water level. So these two will be parallel and this will be transversal. He is looking at the ship. So angle will be formed actually here itself. How many degree angle? 30 and 45. So once again you have to think, this angle will be 30 or he is looking at the another ship, again this angle will be also formed. Both will be angle of depression, both the ships are down below the observer. So what did I tell you in previous video about showing the angle? As we move closer to the pole, angle will increase. We move away from the pole, angle will decrease. That means this angle will be 45 degree. So this first one will be 45 degree, and the angle which is away more far from the pole will be 30 degree. Is it clear? Now give the position C and D be the two ships, position of the two ships. Question is what telling to find the distance between the two ships. So ships C and D, this we have to find out. Clear everything? Write the introduction. What will be? What do you see in the diagram with help of question? AB be the height of lighthouse. Let's write down that. AB be the height of a lighthouse. It is known to us, so we can mention this is 75 meters. C and D be the position of two ships on the same side of the lighthouse. Don't forget to mention that word, same side of the lighthouse. So C and D be the positions of two ships where on the same side of the lighthouse, on the same side of the lighthouse. Enough angles and all we have mentioned already in the diagram. We can start the work. Okay, it was there to find the distance between the two ships. So, this also, therefore, the distance between the two ships, the distance between the two ships will be what? Will be CD. This we have to find out. So, everything we have done in the introduction. Whether we read the question or we see the diagram and see the introduction, we will know what the situation it has. Let us start. We see the two triangle ABC and ABD. One after another we will work and find out. We will start the work in right triangle ABC. Which ratio will find? This is also related to perpendicular and base. So, simple 10 only we will use. First angle is 45 degree, perpendicular AB and base is BC. 45 degree value 1, AB we know 75, BC we do not know. We do cross multiplication, BC we find BC into 1 75. So, BC is 75 meter. This part we came to know, but question is there, find the distance between the two ships CD. Actually, this question is also somewhat similar to last question. Anyway, let us understand this. We should not compare this question and that question. Every question is unique. Let us start now in full triangle ABD. So, now we work in right triangle ABD. Here also 10 angle 30 degree. Perpendicular AB and base, full base BD. 10 30 degree 1 by root 3, AB we know 75, BD we look at the figure BC plus CD. Is it clear? BC plus CD is full side BD. So, we will write it BC plus CD. Then still we know BC we have found here, we will use BC 1 by root 3, 75 by BC, in bracket you mention here BC is what is that? BD is equal to BC plus CD. You can refer diagram also. Then BC we have got from here 75 degree. CD is the distance between. So, here also you can mention BC we have already got 75 meter. Cross multiplication we do 1 into 75, 75 plus CD into 1, CD 75 into root 3, 75, 75 root 3. Now, what shall we do? 75 we will take in RHS. So, CD will remain. CD is equal to 75 root 3 minus 75. Finally, we get CD 75 common root 3 minus 1. So, we can leave here also, we have completed the solution. Hereafter, we can proceed for using the value 75 into 1.732 minus 1.000. Sometime if we see the distance 75 into root 3 minus 1, if we do not feel full satisfied, we can come down for exact value. So, CD 75, here we will get 0.732, then we multiply CD 75 into 2. Now, we need to multiply. So, we will multiply 732 into 75, 5 2 10, 16, 36. 14, 22, 51. So, 0, 10, 6, 2, 8, 1, 9, 3, 1, 4, 5. So, we get 5, 4, 9, 0, 0 and after 3 digit decimal meter. That means, the distance between the two ships is 54.900 meters. So solutions are very interesting, questions are very interesting. Solution we are learning in very simple and easy way. So please subscribe, and if you have not subscribed, subscribe the channel, and please share among your friends. Let this channel be useful to everyone who is going to appear in 2022 board exam. See you in next video with new questions.